Okay, plumbers, we back on the job. All right. There's no rubbers in here, so you don't gotta worry about putting that back. Sometimes there's a spring and a rubber to go in here. Okay, but not on this one. All right. Now this one, if you look at it, see these ridges right here? There's another one on that side. On both sides. It can either be this way or this way. Okay. Take that. Remember that. This right here. This one. Okay. And take those. You see that?
Right there.
You see him? Push it down in there.
I can't play it.
Good. You hear that pop? That's in there. All right, get your nut. Here it is. Put the nut in there.
Where the channel on?
All right, tighten it. Now see that nut you just put on? It's like brass, so don't crack it. And that's plastic under it. When you got metal against metal, you can go hard. But when you got metal against plastic, you gotta be easy. Slower than that, man. You act like it's metal against metal. Slower. There you go. Take your time. When it get harder, you gotta slow down. Why you keep wrenching it like that? You're gonna break it. Okay. One more time. All right, that's good. Let me feel it. You need an expert hand. When you get used to it, you'll know when to stop. That's good. Okay. Now, get your top handle.
It's leaking again.
Because we didn't put it on, man.
Okay. Put it on the right way. Look. So it's on right. Well, but I don't know if it's on or off. Find the right way.
It was off because it was on.
Okay, so that's on. Uh-oh. You gotta flip that around. We put it on the wrong way. Wait a minute. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, I might be wrong. All right. So that's off. And that's on. So what's dripping then? It shouldn't be dripping. It's still dripping. But it can't be this one because we turned it off, right?
What about
So
that?
what the heck?
What if it's
It's the hot side though. I don't feel no heat though. The hot wasn't dripping just a few minutes ago. What the heck is going on? Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Hold on. Come on, man. All right, turn the water on down underneath the hot side. You got the cold side?
Yeah.
All right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. You turn it on or off? Okay. All right, check it, see if that's on. All right, turn it off. Now turn the other side. No, down here. Turn the other side off. That's crazy. Did we get the wrong side? No, turn that on. Leave that on. Turn the hot side off.
This is the hot side. I just turned the cold off.
Yeah, where the hot side?
Right here.
You sure? All right, go ahead. Turn that off. Righty tighty. Still dripping. Hold on, turn it off. Still on? See if that's off. No, it still ain't off. Try it again.